Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great time. Welcome to Student Gateway. This is me, Showramer. So, before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming updates. So, without any delay, let's just start today's video. In today's video, we'll talk about Europe, Hungary, fully funded scholarship, and most of all, this scholarship is for bachelor's, master's, and for PhD as well. And one best thing about this scholarship is there is no application fees. There is no need of IELTS or TOEFL if you can prove that your previous studies were in English with an English proficiency certificate from the organization or the institution you have studied in, or if you are from a country where the first language is English. But keeping everything aside, if you have a English test score, obviously, no doubt your application should be in the priority list of the, in within the candidates. So, as I said, it's from Central European University Scholarship, Hungary 2021, CEU Bachelor Scholarships, Master's Degree Scholarship, and Doctoral Degree Scholarships. You can choose from 50 degree programs offered in 15 different academic areas. Are you ready for the application? Well, automatically considered for the CEU scholarship, there is no application fees as I said. Central European University, BS, MS, PhD, fully funded. If we talk about the available fields of studies for BS, MS and PhD, as you can see, these are the different fields: Department of Cognitive Science, Economics, Business, Environmental Sciences, Gender Studies, History, International Relations, Legal Studies, Maths, Network, and different philosophies, and the list goes on and on and on. But no doubt, there are some limitations in the courses, so you have to check out whether you fall in any category or not. So, if we talk about the financial coverage, up to 100% of tuition fees, full health insurance, monthly stipend for like 1000 euros, 750 euros, 1350 euros, as you can see right here. So eligibility criteria: applicants from all nationalities except EU EE are eligible to apply. Like if you're from Europe, then you cannot apply. Students must hold at least 12 years of education if you want to study in undergraduate program. For master's degree, applicants must have undergraduate bachelor's degree, which is called 16 years of education, and same goes for PhD level studies. They need 18 years of education. Student must have an outstanding and good academic performance. Language: if you have a previous degree in English, then you can be exempted and your English proficiency letter will be accepted. So CV, educational documents, letter of recommendations, statement of purpose, research proposals, proof of language, other supporting documents, and if any. CV, letter of CV, statement of purpose, research proposal. These are the things which with what Student Gateway can help you guys. So if you guys know how to write these things very well, but if you don't, I think if you really want this scholarship, you should not waste your time and help the responsibility to someone who can write something more appropriate and professional so that your application can go in the way of selection. So if you want to apply, you just can click on this link right here. When you click on this link, this page will open up. As you can see, February 1st, 2021, how to apply application checklist. First of all, I would recommend you to click on this link right here which says application checklist. This page will open up right here. These are the further details about each and every category right here: academic writing submission, academic records, resume, proof of English proficiency, as you can read it right here. Candidates who have earned a bachelor's or a master's taught exclusively in English. Please note, CEU reserves the right to request proof that the program was taught in English if it is not evident from the academic records provided. So to request exemption and this and that, so I'll be helping you through all this process. Keeping everything aside, in case you need TOEFL or IELTS, these are the scores which are required. So you should keep that in mind. I would recommend you to read all this page. After that, I would recommend you to apply. So you can click on this link right here when you want to start your application. When you click on this link, this page will open up right here. If you are a new user, you can click on new user, enter your credentials, and just create an account, which is pretty much easy. After creating your account, obviously you're supposed to log in with your credentials, and I am logging in. So after logging in, this page will come up, which is right here. So I should first of all click on cancel application, which I have recently started, so that I can start a new application. You just are supposed to click on start new application, and you are supposed to choose a program, whatever program you want to study, and the summer program, Mondas, PhD, and different programs. So each and every program has different um, scenarios. So like for example, we want to choose um, like whatever, so any mode of study. No, not any mode of study, we are only interested in full mode of studies. Why? Because in full mode of studies we will be able to get a full scholarship. So we are interested in the scholarship. Okay, so as you can see, I have chosen a course. You can wisely choose a course, and you can take all the time you need to choose a course wisely. I am repeating this: you have to take all the time you need to choose a course wisely. Remember that. So after doing that, we'll just start the application. Entering details in the application is pretty much easier. There is nothing to worry about. As you can see right here, some of the basic questions and answers. So I don't think you should be facing any difficulty right here. And contact details, as you can see right here, nothing to worry about. Qualification, so these are the details about your qualification. As you can see, country, your previous studies, and whatever. What about like your start date, end date, documents you're supposed to upload? Obviously your certificate, transcript, English language proficiency. Yes, so yes, it's okay, but no, then you have to upload your English test. So after that, additional supporting documents, if any. And let's go to the experience tab. When you click on the experience tab, this page will open up. Please upload a CV, resume. If you know how to write a CV, a professional resume, and not something stupid, then you can do that on your own. But if not, you should contact us, and we will be here helping you out, providing you a professional resume which will be helpful in your application processing. Obviously we do charge for that, so do let us know if you want to avail our services. So current role and previous role, whatever these things need. So documents upload, you are supposed to upload a document which is called writing sample, and these are the things which are required in that. Upload a writing sample in English, 10 to 25 pages. And if you talk about the research proposal, your title, please upload your research proposal right here. If you know how to do that, how to write a research proposal, very good. If not, do let us know and contact us for our paid services. References, 1 2, you do need them. Funding, so in funding tab you have to select that I choose funding. Do you wish to apply for the financial state? Yes. If no, then everything goes off. So you have to select yes, and your financial resources towards, like I should recommend you to write like around about 200 or something right here. Don't leave this empty, or don't write zero. You should like around about 150, 200, 300, whatever it suits you. They're talking about like how much you can fund your own self, how much you can fund your own living, like what is the like per academic year. So obviously they're not talking about the month. So I will be like, if I talk about myself, I'll be writing 500 or 1000 euros per year. I can support this for myself, or I can do whatever it needs, but I can make this money for myself. So if my expenses goes out of that budget, then the university will be providing these financial resources. So your financial resources from external donors to oversee your tuition fees, enrollment fee, and journal. So write that down now, like educational loan, grant, scholarship. So you can leave that empty or write just no, so that your application can go towards CEU scholarship. And optional personal statement, obviously I should recommend you to write this personal statement as well. And previous education, yes, no, whatever the things are. So you should go continue and check out these things, whatever they need. And after do, when you click on that button called submission, How did you hear about us, and what are the things, other online social media? You can write our name right here, Student Gateway. And what do you find most attractive? Whatever the things you want to check, submit, and that's kind of it. Your application is finally submitted. If still you have some questions in your mind, you can let us know in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. All the very best.